Are you looking for the best car detailing steamer that won't cost you thousands? After tons of research, I grabbed this Dupray Neat Plus steamer for just $250 to unbox and test it so you don't have to. I'm excited to show you how it works on real car seats and stains, and honestly, I was shocked by how it stacks up against my $1,200 steamer. Okay, so for anyone who likes clean organization and is a bit of a neat freak like me, I did pay extra for the Dupray Awesome Bag. I'll show you what it looks like so you can decide if it's worth it for you. I'll save that part for later in the video. The unboxing feels like a premium experience. It doesn't feel like you're about to pull out some cheap junk. Everything about the packaging looks clean and high quality. You might be wondering if Dupray sent me the steamer or sponsored the video, but nope, I bought it myself. I like giving real, honest product recommendations here on my channel. If you decide to grab the steamer though, through my Amazon link in the description, I'll earn a small commission, which helps me keep testing and making videos like this for you guys. So thank you so much for the support. The handle feels solid and high quality, but also simple to use. It even has a trigger lock, which my more expensive steamer surprisingly doesn't. The hose is also nice and long, but it's permanently attached to the machine. This steamer has a really clean, modern look, especially compared to a lot of other popular steamers, like the McCulloch. It's something you can actually be proud to store in your house or even in your mobile detailing setup. The handle tucks away nicely, and there's even cord storage underneath. They definitely gave it the name Neat for a reason. If you want to use it around your house for cleaning floors or hard to reach spots, it also comes with these extension tubes. This is the main nozzle you'll use for blasting out all of those grimy, tight areas or even removing sticky gum fast. It also comes with a few attachments you might not use, like this mop head for hard floor surfaces. You'll also get several stiff bristle brushes that connect to the main nozzle, but they're usually a bit too rough for most delicate car surfaces. It also comes with a squeegee for cleaning home windows and mirrors, but since most car windows are tinted, I don't recommend using this attachment on them. The second most important attachment for car detailing is this triangle brush, and soon I will show you exactly why and how to use it the most effective way. These are just some reusable cloths for the mop head and a single long fiber, soft microfiber cloth. It's nothing special. It won't replace my current go-to microfiber towel recommendation. These microfiber bonnets are super useful when you pair them with the triangle brush. I'll show you in just a bit how I use them to clean up a big coffee stain. All right, let's get to the fun part, actually using it. Always make sure to use distilled water in your steamer. Tap water has minerals and other stuff that can build up inside, damage parts, and lower performance over time. I really like the built-in funnel area too. It helps keep things clean and easy when filling it up. It took about a half gallon to fill. And again, it's really lightweight, even filled with water. After plugging it in, just press the power button to turn it on. You'll see an orange light while it heats up. And when it turns green, it's ready to go. One big advantage with this steamer is how fast it heats up. Only about 1 to 3 minutes, depending on your room or outside temperature. Most other steamers take close to 10 minutes, which can feel like forever if you forget to turn it on before starting a job. One of the most important things in a good steamer is how dry the steam is at the tip. And this one is superior at this price point. It doesn't spit a bunch of water or spray super wet steam like many others, thanks to its solid tank design, hose insulation, and higher heat. Most steamers below this price point fail to accomplish this. So dry steam is what makes low moisture cleaning so effective and safe. So unfortunately, this steamer doesn't come with a triangle brush that has clips for holding a microfiber towel. Instead of trying to wrap one around and risk burning your hand while working, just grab a pack of microfiber bonnets. They slip right over the brush and stay in place easily with the built-in elastic band. And I feel like I like this other brand of bonnets more than the Dupray ones at a cheaper price. It just has a more snug fit. One big problem with most steamers is running out of water. Usually, you have to shut them off, cool down, refill, then wait to heat back up, which takes more than 20 minutes. But just like my $1,200 Vapor Clean, this one fixes that with a dual tank system. You can refill anytime without stopping your workflow. It also saves you from lugging around a heavy unit just for longer run times. The downside, though, is that you need to hold the trigger the whole time to keep pressure steady. If you keep letting go, the pressure can stall for a moment like this. Steamers are great for tackling tough stains, but only when you pair them with a good fabric cleaner to pre-treat the area. There are lots of options out there, but my go-to right now is Revive It Rocket, mixed at 1 part cleaner to 5 parts distilled water for big stains like this. It might seem pricey at first, but it's super concentrated. You can dilute it 1 to 15 for lighter cleaning. When you use the right safe cleaners, the work feels effortless. I've used this one for years on customer cars, my own vehicles, and even around the house. And if you want to try it, use my code AllenDetailing10 for 10% off. After letting the cleaner dwell for 10 minutes, we'll begin to scrub the seat with the triangle brush and microfiber bonnet. If you want to check out this steamer or any of the other products and tools I use in this video, you can simply find all the links down in the description below. What's great about this car seat shampoo method is that it not only scrubs and lifts dirt and stains, but also helps remove odors and kill over 99% of germs when the steam stays on the surface for up to 30 seconds. It's a super effective and efficient way to clean. You can also tell the seat isn't getting soaked thanks to the dry steam. I like to follow up with a high quality, absorbent microfiber towel to pick up any leftover moisture and dirt. If you're not happy with the results, just swap out your dirty bonnet for a clean one and make another quick pass until you're no longer pulling up any dirt or stains. I'm really happy with the results and very impressed with what this steamer can do for just $250. When you're done using it, you'll probably want to store it neatly on a shelf in your closet or garage and be able to grab it easily without the clutter. If that's the case, this Dupray storage bag is a great option. It fits the steamer perfectly with space for all the attachments, extra bonnets, and microfiber towels, making it super easy to stay organized. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see how I built a DIY car seat extractor for just $150 that rivals the expensive ones, check out that video right here next. I'm Alan with Highlands Auto Detailing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.